Hello everyone, super happy to be here today. I'm Nicolas, the founder and CEO of Prevu3D. So, why did I decide to start a software company? So my background is in mechanical engineering facilities. I used to design production lines, and I was faced with the hard reality that for the most engineers were still using AutoCAD, and we definitely don't have access to a digital twin of our facilities. One of the key challenges is that when I discovered reality capture, I discovered how hard it would be in order to provide access to it to non-technical users. In engineering projects, there's a lot of stakeholders, and for most of them, they don't have time to go and learn a new tool set. So with that in mind, I decided to start my own business and bring something different to market in order to bridge the gap between reality and the digital world. So what we've been doing for the last 5 years is try to make a massive data set run on an entry-level computer. For this, we built a cloud processing system that allows us to convert terabytes of point cloud data into a mesh with multiple levels of details. Then we looked at gaming technology because obviously at this point, you know that most people have played with games, so why not look at gaming technology? And in the last year, we really spent quite a bit of efforts to work forward AI in order to create more value out of the same data, entirely automatic. Let's have a look at the software and be ready for some music. So as you can tell, we focus on eye and laser scanners. The beauty of this data is incredible, but most likely we're going to look either at the imagery or the point cloud data. What if we could stop making a compromise and actually deliver both combined? So that's been a big part of our journey of making sure we make data shine. And I'd like to thank ZNF for giving us access to their imagery, for the RTC and the BLK to start making this process viable for documenting big sites without occlusion. And what I discovered as making this data run on non-technical users' laptops is that we could help food and beverage facilities, we could help car manufacturers, but last year we also ended up helping people with oil and gas projects, pharmaceutical, government associations. There's a lot of non-technical users that could benefit from reality capture data. So now that we have reality models that can be accessed by anyone, and what's the next logical step? There's a big part of non-technical user that can give you the most critical feedbacks. Obviously, reality is not just a blob of information, so we have to look at life as assets. So again, automation will be a big part of our future, and this is what I wanted to present with you today as part of our innovation from last year. So this is all new stuff. I hope you're excited that we're going to see, and I look forward to discuss it later at our booth. So asset segmentation. Digital twin is the notion of bringing really augmented reality with data. But we often find people go backwards and model over data for lack of opportunity to go straight to documented reality. And if you present a BIM model or any type of CAD file to a non-technical user, which is a critical massive piece of people, they will not understand the BIM file. Don't get me wrong, it's way better than an AutoCAD model or a P9ID, but what if we could expand the reach of the value of a digital twin to everyone? Well, we believe that rusty pump should be a rusty pump, because that's what speaks to the person on the factory floor. So segmentation is going to be automatic, and now you can start to link data to it. Second is our partnership with the NVIDIA Omniverse and this new product suite that we're launching, which is called Reality Mesh. So we worked so hard to make data usable. Now we're going to open the door to help expand the use of our technology in other applications, such as the NVIDIA Omniverse. Although the Omniverse is designed to run with great quality assets, we're talking billions of polygons and hundreds of textures. So we have to make an integration of our technology in order for delivering this data. So you've heard a lot about AI simulation. Well, in order to make advanced simulation, why not start with reality? Currently, the only support we can do is model everything, but who gets a real 3D model of their brownfield environment? We hear a lot about training on sensitive data. Now we're going to be able to train with reality. And our last technology showcase for today, obviously segmentation is great, but to be agnostic is very difficult. So we understand that we're going to be able to segment components of the scene, but we're not going to go all the way to every single smaller component. So this is where we designed Asset Finder, because if you're willing to spend the effort to attach data to your environment, well, you deserve that we help you make this process more efficient. So Asset Finder is an AI tool. Again, cloud automated, nothing to do. You drop your E57, everything is going to be done for you. Now you're going to be able to find and localize assets in the entire facility. We're talking millions of square foot in a couple of clicks. So you can start to identify and attach data to your models. So Asset Finder is going to be launched in beta with selected partners, and it's super exciting for us to be able to help document and bridge the gap between reality, HMI data, real-time data, and all those components that really make a digital twin valuable down the road. AI is not perfect, so we still leverage your input, but by providing you guidance to what we believe should be the asset that we're looking for, now you can just do in a few clicks, documenting an entire facility and making sure that you find all the assets that match the requirements in just a few clicks. Our application is working both on desktop and web, just because I forgot to mention that part. Thank you so much for your time today, and I look forward to meet all of you this week.